Hi guys, welcome to my welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I said this line so many times. I'm practicing, you know. Anyway, welcome to my channel. My name is Polinucha and I combine three things that I really love: cosmetics, design, and film. So in today's video, I'm exploring Jeffree Star's latest palette. Oh, I mean, it is really beautiful. It is huge. Usually I don't buy those gigantic palettes. And this is the first purchase I made from YouTube Guru. Okay, so I gotta say, beautiful colors. Really lovely, interesting palette. If you want my, I don't know, do you want my honest review about this, or should we just get into the video? So, anyway, I'll comment on my video as you watch my video. So I hope you enjoy it, guys. Bye. I found that Monarchy and Your Majesty and Deviant colors were very nice for everyday look. You could do some really fantastic looks here. You can go funky, or you could do very subtle wash of colors. Yes, I did find them a little bit hard to blend, but this is coming from somebody who's loved liquid and cream for any makeup application. I use liquids and creams on my eyes all the time, so it took me a while to get used to using powdery products. And yes, they do show up texture on the skin, especially if you have a dry skin around eyes. With executioner, as you could see here, oh boy, I definitely had a fallout here. However, if you add liquid to any of those eyeshadows, they will create amazing colors and they're gonna stay put. So I actually added water to executioner after I had major problems with fallout, and I decided to use it as an eyeliner. And in fact, it did fantastic. You could actually add water to any of those eyeshadows and they would be fantastic as liquid eyeliners. And the color really pops, so I just stuck to that. I think as an eyeliner, any of those eyeshadows could work. So in conclusion, I found the color palette to be really beautiful. Yes, some of the shadows were hard to blend, not gonna lie, and there was definitely fallout. However, as soon as I introduced a liquid to any of those eyeshadows, it created such a beautiful pigments, and it was so much fun to play with. Yes, you can get really funky with those colors, and yet you could have a beautiful single color wash over your eye, and it would just stay all day. And there is definitely pigment shows up when you introduce liquid to them. So yeah, it's really beautiful. It's wearable. I think Jeffree did a fantastic job. Yeah, go Jeffree. I like it.